The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Dorchester, Berkeley, and Charleston until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a storm capable of producing a tornado. Spotters have reported a tornado already on the ground west of Dorchester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. As a last resort, take shelter in a nearby ditch or other low area. Stay tuned to Know It All Hazards Radio for updates on this situation.